Rahul Jawahar. I am the founder of Rubik Wealth Pvt Ltd. I have overall 18 years of experience in banking and wealth management. And the idea of coming up with Rubik Wealth, because we have seen a lot of void in the wealth management process. I have seen this void to myself when I was in banking. In banking, what happens is that whenever you go to a bank, right, for wealth management, you will find banks are selling you high revenue products, right? And why is this so? Because the cost of customer acquisition for bank is very high. They have to manage branches, their salary of the employees are high and all that. We have institutionalized this. We have registered ourselves as a private limited company because we want to serve our customer for long-term period. So therefore, we wanted to come up with a corporate structure. However, we want to still be like a boutique firm where we can provide unbiased and customized advisory. Now the question is how we are different from any other wealth management companies. Okay, as I said, we are very much unbiased in our approach. So we have a goal-based financial planning structure. So we have three types of services. The first one is Profix, which is where we cater to those clients, those who already have an investment portfolio with them. So what we do the health analysis of their portfolio and we suggest them if there are a lot of parameters that we look at, multiple parameters, and then we advise clients on the balancing and rebalancing strategy. So that's Profix for you. The idea of Growth Pro is to provide a goal-based wealth management, wealth strategy basically. So where we do a complete understanding the goal, their income, and then we look at their different goals and we strategize our investment process basis of their goal, and then we recommend funds basis of the goal. So goal could be a short term, medium term and long term goals, right? So we have a bucket strategy there. So for each, for short term, for medium term and for long term, we have a different bucket strategy for them. And then we have a flexi invest. So many times, those who are like HNI, super HNI or family offices clients, so they have already attained the financial freedom. So what they are looking at, they have a very specific requirement where they have a certain funds where they want to put out that particular fund. So again, we advise them on their investment purpose. So it's a flexible opportunities for them. So as per the client requirement, their tenure, so we advise them. So that's the three services we have. So in terms of investment strategy, we have made very simple strategy for our investors. So one type of investor, they have a very conservative approach. They have a conservative risk profile. So accordingly, we have a multi-asset, conservative strategy for them, where we do the asset allocation mostly in hybrid and debt funds. Then we have a multi-asset balance strategy. Typically, the idea of this is to provide 12 to 15% kind of return. So we create a portfolio accordingly. Then we have an aggressive strategy. We call it equity high growth strategy, where the 100% portfolio is built on the equity. It could be various equity mutual funds. So it's an aggressive strategy and this strategy is basically for long-term investors. At Rubik Wealth, we primarily cater to retail, HNI, NRIs and family offices as well as the corporate. We have managed over 500 million rupees worth of investments. We are certified by NISM, PFRDA and IRDA, so we have got a certification. So at Rubik Wealth, how we are different and what is the value proposition that we provide to our customers is first is that we have a very unbiased, we are not a product driven kind of approach, but our complete approach is goal driven. So our services are built in such a way where it completely differentiate with our client requirements.
Build, grow, and secure your wealth with Rubik Wealth. Watch, learn, and invest smarter. Book your free appointment today with Rubik Wealth.